Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix microphone not working on Windows 10. So I will tell you 3 ways how to fix it. Okay, so go to the Windows Start menu, click on this gear icon that is settings here. Okay, now you need to find privacy. Okay, the screen may look like same, you need to find privacy here. Now it will open up the privacy. Now on the left hand side options you need to find microphone here. Okay, you can see camera location and all that, and just below the camera microphone is there. Now make sure that it is turned on. Allow apps to access your microphone. It must be turned on. Okay, now scroll down and you can see all the apps that are using microphone right now. Now you need to find your app in which you are trying to use the microphone and make sure that it is turned on. Just like you can see Skype, it is turned on. So if it is turned off, then the microphone won't work in the Skype, or if it is turned off in the Xbox game bar, then it won't work. So you need to make sure that it is turned on. So this is the first thing that you need to do. Okay, the second thing, again click here in the Windows search bar and type in control panel, and you can see control panel is here. Click on that. Now you need to go to the hardware and sound section here. Now the third option, that is sound, click on that. Okay, now you can see playback. Now you can see another option, that is recording. Click on the recording section here. Now you can see all the microphones that I have right now. You can see the first one, that is Realtek high definition audio, which is present in most of the laptops or notebooks. Now this one is the WoW mic device that I installed separately. Okay, so if you have not installed any other mic or other than the laptops mic, then you need to click on the Realtek high definition audio and click on set default. And if you installed an external mic and it is showing here, then click on that and click on set default. Okay, so this is how you can fix it. Okay, the third thing is to go again Windows search bar, click on device manager here. Now it will open up the device manager. Now you can see the first option, that is audio inputs and outputs. Click on that. Now you can see the first option, that is microphone Realtek high definition audio, and you can see the second one, that is microphone WoW mic device. Okay, now if the Realtek high definition audio is not there, or if you have added an external mic and the driver is not installed here, then for the external one you need to install the driver. Okay, and for this one simply click on the audio inputs and outputs. If Realtek high definition audio is not there or any other microphone is not listed, click on the action and click for the scan for hardware changes. Then the Windows will install it automatically. So these are the 3 ways through which you can fix it. Most of the time the first method will fix your microphone problem in Windows 10. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.